Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Fiesta gear knob. First, you'll need a few basic tools. A trim removal tool is essential for prying plastic without damage, and a small flathead screwdriver will also be helpful. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the handbrake fully engaged before starting any work. This guide will walk you through each step carefully, making the process straightforward and safe for you to follow along. Next, we'll focus on the gear gaiter. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry up the plastic trim surrounding the gaiter from its edges. Work your way around until it's loose. If there are any electrical connectors, such as for a reverse lockout, carefully disconnect them. Once the gaiter is free, slide it down the shaft to expose the base of the gear knob, where you'll find the retaining collar or clip. Now for the main event, removing the gear knob itself. With the gaiter out of the way, you should see a retaining collar at the bottom of the knob. Rotate this collar counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to release its grip. Once loosened, grasp the gear knob firmly and pull it straight upwards with a steady, strong motion. It might require a bit of force, but it will come off. Check the shaft for any other small parts. After successfully removing the gear knob, take a moment to clean the gear shaft and the surrounding console area. This is a great time to ensure everything is tidy before reassembly. When you're ready, simply reverse the steps, making sure the retaining collar clicks firmly into place and all electrical connections are reattached. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.